Compassion fatigue has been called the cost of caring. You probably already know the strong physical and emotional toll of working in a helping profession. But science continues to show us that there are ways to build resilience and foster healing using body-based modalities and mindful breathing. Green Tree Yoga programs are presented nationally and internationally. These programs are available for on-site training, retreats, or live webinars. This interactive and experiential workshop allows people to experience this body-based modality for healing, to learn about compassion fatigue, signs and steps to wellness, to learn about the current neuroscience of stress and trauma, to share ideas on how to incorporate these free, simple breaks into the workday, both for self-care and for use with clients and patients. This training is based on the ideas and peer-reviewed science in these books. A bibliography is available on our website. We will help you set up for success with free breaks to share as part of your self-care plan, at staff meetings, and with coworkers, clients, and patients. You can purchase another resource. This self-care kit includes a flip chart and the MP3 and MP4s of the same 10 breaks. We will be happy to design a program to meet your needs. Please contact me, Yael Calhoun, with any questions. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our resources for addressing compassion fatigue and vicarious trauma.